Philippe here with Fontana talking stainless steel. We at Fontana take stainless really seriously. The interior of our ovens are 441 that is completely solid welded. The screws are stainless, the damper's stainless, the chimney and the chimney cap are stainless. Basically, if it's not powder coated, it's stainless steel with a Fontana. But what's the deal with the numbers, right? 304, 430, 441, what's the difference? Well, 304 is really well known. It has a really high chromium content. That makes it rust resistant, but it's not formulated for really high temperature environments. It's way too soft and it's not gonna hold up. We instead use 441 as a much higher ferric content. As a result, it is much more prone to lasting a long time and retaining its structural integrity when experiencing incredibly high heats. So as you're doing your research, make sure that you're looking at weld types, thickness of stainless, type of stainless, and make sure that you're buying something that's gonna last a lifetime and not just a season. So make sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I'll continue to post videos, and I look forward to seeing you next time.